Hey, Alexander Sport Fishing here, Ice Fish Green Bay. We got a group of guys. Hey guys, where are you guys from?
Manitowoc,
Luxembourg,
Stevens Point.
Awesome, guys. So what happened today? We got out at 7 o'clock this morning. It's 11 o'clock and you've got 30 fish. And let me tell you what, guys. Look at this fish here, guys. That's 4+ pounds. That's almost a 5-pounder there. I don't know, 4+. So what did you guys think of the fishing today? Was it fast action or was it just a steady pace or what?
Very steady pace, I would say.
Yeah?
Yes.
Cool. Awesome. So some bigger fish out here, huh?
I think they're bigger out here.
Cool.
Yesterday we were here and the size was pretty much the same.
So how were you working your jig today? Was it slower, faster? Well, how'd they like it today?
I had to bounce it off the bottom and bring it up and back it down and bring it up again. A little faster than I did yesterday.
Okay, cool. So very nice day today.
very nice day. Good.
We're it's supposed to be 45 degrees out here today, but these guys are done by 11 o'clock. They had a great time. We were still expecting limits. Fishing down south was a little slower due to the traffic. You know, guys, there's so much area out here. Go out and find a new spot and figure out these fish. I tell you what, there's so many fish out here that if a guy just goes out on his own and finds his own spots, definitely pays dividends. When you move in on guys and make all that noise with the augers and traffic, that really shuts these fish down. So just pay attention to the details and you'll be more successful. Alexander Sport Fishing, Ice Fish Green Bay here. We'll talk to you guys later. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Talk to you guys later. And Brett too. So Brett's a great fisherman and he can really get on these fish. So we'll talk to you later. Check us out on the web, Ice Fish Green Bay. Out.